Yo, welcome to the deep dive. I'm Arav, Priya ma'am is here, and we've got new faces today.
Finally! I've been trying to get on this podcast for 3 weeks. Hi, I'm Rinal, and unlike Utsav, I actually passed my prelims on the first attempt. और मैं हूँ दिव्यम.
मुझे बायोलॉजी बहुत पसंद है बट ट्रांसलेशन और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में हमेशा कंफ्यूज हो जाता था। टुडे क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगी।
New energy. I like it. Okay, so today's topic transcription. DNA से RNA कैसे बनता है? And this is probably the most underrated topic in molecular biology.
Underrated क्यों मैम? Isn't it just DNA copies itself into RNA?
Technically, DNA doesn't copy itself. That's replication. Transcription is when DNA makes RNA. Like the difference between cloning yourself versus writing instructions for someone else.
Exactly. Rinal gets it. Transcription is the cell's photocopier. DNA is the master document. Too precious to leave the office. Nucleus. RNA is the photocopy. Can go out into the field. Cytoplasm to get work done.
अरे हाँ, डीएनए तो वीआईपी है, न्यूक्लियस के अंदर ही रहता है। आरएनए मैसेंजर बोलता है बाहर जाके काम करने के लिए।
VIP DNA. I love that. तो RNA basically DNA का assistant है.
In a way, yes. But here's what NEAT loves testing the mechanism. How does RNA polymerase know where to start? How does it know which DNA strand to read? What's a promoter? What's a terminator? These aren't just vocabulary, these are functional concepts.
And let me guess, coaching institutes spend 3 hours showing diagrams but never explain why RNA polymerase moves 3' to 5' on the template strand.
Exactly. Or why we have three different RNA polymerases in eukaryotes, but bacteria only have one. DW will list them. We'll explain their purpose.
मैम एक बात कंफ्यूज करती है। अगर डीएनए डबल स्ट्रैंडेड है, तो आरएनए कौन सा स्ट्रैंड से कॉपी होता है? दोनों से या एक से?
Brilliant question. Only one strand is copied, called the template strand or antisense strand. The other strand, the coding strand or sense strand, basically just sits there looking pretty. It has the same sequence as the RNA, except T becomes U.
Wait, तो एक strand काम कर रहा है और दूसरा chill कर रहा है.
It's like group projects. One person does everything, the other just exists and takes credit.
आईआईटी ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट वाइब्स। एक बंदा सब करता, बाकी लोग सिर्फ प्रेजेंटेशन में आते हैं।
Perfect analogy. Okay, transcription has three phases initiation, elongation, termination. Think of it like ordering from Blinkit. You place order, initiation, they prepare it, elongation, they deliver and close the order, termination.
Blinkit in 10 minutes or RNA in 10 minutes?
RNA is faster. Blinkit has traffic delays.
All right, squad, let's break down the cell's copy machine. Ready?
Ready? Chalo.
Let's do this. Okay ma'am, first things first. Transcription में कौन-कौन involved है?
Main players DNA, the template, RNA polymerase, the enzyme that makes RNA, promoter, the start here signal, terminator, the stop here signal, and transcription factors, helper proteins mainly in eukaryotes.
मैम ये आरएनए पॉलीमरेज कितने टाइप के होते हैं? मैंने सुना है प्रोकैरियोट्स में एक, यूकैरियोट्स में 3।
Perfect. Prokaryotes have one RNA polymerase that makes all types of RNA, but eukaryotes have three. RNA pol 1 makes ribosomal RNA except 5S. RNA pol 2 makes mRNA and most non-coding RNAs. RNA pol 3 makes tRNA, 5S RNA, other small RNAs.
So basically, Pol 2 is the celebrity. It makes the messenger RNA that actually codes for proteins. The other two are like supporting cast.
Kind of. But NEAT loves asking, which RNA polymerase is inhibited by alpha amanitin? Answer, RNA pol 2. That's the toxin in death cap mushrooms. Eats the mushroom, RNA pol 2 stops. mRNA production stops, you die.
Bro, what? Mushroom से death by transcription failure?
That's metal. I didn't die from poison. I died from inadequate mRNA synthesis.
यार मशरूम खाने से पहले अब नीट बायोलॉजी याद आएगा.
Good, stay alive. Now, mnemonic for the three polymerases. Read my text. RNA pol 1 equals ribosomal, RNA pol 2 equals messenger, RNA pol 3 equals transfer. RMT.
Clean. What about the promoter? How does RNA polymerase know where to start?
Promoter is a DNA sequence upstream of the gene, basically a signboard that says transcription starts here. In prokaryotes, it's the PribNow box, -10 region, sequence TATAAT, and the -35 region. In eukaryotes, it's the TATA box, TATA sequence, about -25 from start site.
So it's literally just spelled out in the DNA? Tata, start here? That's like putting a giant neon sign that says entrance on a building.
Yes, but it's okay because RNA is temporary. If there's a mistake in one RNA molecule, it'll be degraded eventually and a new correct one can be made. But if there's a mistake in DNA, that's permanent and gets passed to daughter cells. That's why DNA polymerase has 3' to 5' exonuclease proofreading. Super accurate.
So RNA is like a rough draft. Mistakes are tolerable. DNA is the final published book. Must be perfect. Makes sense.
Perfect analogy. Now, in prokaryotes, something interesting happens. Coupled transcription translation. Ribosomes start translating the mRNA while it's still being transcribed. No waiting.
मतलब ट्रांसलेशन ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के साथ साथ चल रहा. एक ही टाइम पे दोनों.
Yes, because prokaryotes have no nucleus. DNA, transcription, and translation all happen in the same cytoplasm. Maximum efficiency. But eukaryotes? Transcription in nucleus, RNA processing, then translation in cytoplasm. Totally separate.
Prokaryotes really said time waste nahi karna hai.
They're like New Yorkers. Let's go, let's go. No time to waste.
Last phase, termination. RNA polymerase has been cruising along making RNA. How does it know when to stop?
Terminate a sequence, right?
Yes, but there are two types of termination in prokaryotes. Row-independent, intrinsic termination, and row-dependent, needs a row protein.
मैम रो इंडिपेंडेंट कैसे काम करता है?
Row-independent has a specific sequence, a GC-rich region followed by a string of U's. When this gets transcribed into RNA, the GC region forms a hairpin loop, stem loop structure, because GC pairs are strong. This hairpin causes RNA polymerase to pause. Then, the weak AU bonds from the U string break and the RNA falls off. Termination done.
So the RNA literally forms a loop that makes the polymerase trip and fall off? That's like putting a speed bump on a highway.
Exactly. Forced stop. Now, row-dependent termination needs a protein called Rho that chases RNA polymerase. Rho binds to a specific sequence on the RNA and moves along it using ATP energy. When Rho catches up to the paused RNA polymerase, it pulls the RNA off. Termination.
Bro, रो is like a bouncer. Time's up. Get out.
अरे ये तो पुलिस वाली चेज है. रो प्रोटीन चेस कर रहा आरएनए पॉलीमरेज को. पकड़ा और निकाल दिया.
Perfect visualization. In eukaryotes, termination is different. For RNA pol 2 making mRNA, there's a polyadenylation signal, sequence AAU-AAA. When RNA polymerase transcribes past this, cleavage factors cut the RNA and RNA pol 2 eventually falls off.
So eukaryotes don't have the hairpin loop thing?
Nope, they have a cleaner, regulated system. The cut RNA then gets a POLY8 tail added. We'll cover that in post-transcriptional modifications next episode. But for now, know that termination in eukaryotes involves cleavage, not hairpins.
Got it. Prokaryotes equals hairpin or row protein. Eukaryotes equals polyadenylation signal and cleavage.
Exactly. Mnemonic for prokaryotic termination. Rho runs, hairpins halt. Two mechanisms.
मैम नीट में क्या पूछते हैं टर्मिनेशन से?
Good question. They ask, what is the termination signal in prokaryotes? Answer, GC-rich region plus poly-U tail, Rho independent, or Rho protein, Rho dependent. What about eukaryotes? AAU, AAA polyadenylation signal. Write these down.
All right, final recap. Ma'am, transcription in 30 seconds.
Done. Initiation. RNA polymerase with sigma factor in prokaryotes or transcription factors in eukaryotes binds the promoter, Tata box. DNA unwinds. Transcription bubble forms. Elongation. RNA polymerase reads template strand 3' to 5', synthesizes RNA 5' to 3'. No primer needed. Speed 20 to 50 nucleotides per second. Termination. Prokaryotes, Rho independent, hairpin loop, or Rho dependent, Rho protein. Eukaryotes, polyadenylation signal, AAU-AAA, cleavage, RNA released.
High yield neat traps?
5 critical points. 1. Template strand is antisense, coding strand is sense. 2. RNA synthesis direction is always 5' to 3'. 3. RNA polymerase needs no primer, unlike DNA polymerase. 4. Eukaryotes have 3 RNA polymerases. Pol2 is inhibited by alpha amanitin. 5. Prokaryotes can do coupled transcription translation. Eukaryotes cannot.
मैम एक क्विक क्वेश्चन, अगर आरएनए पॉलीमरेज मिस्टेक करता है तो वो करेक्ट कैसे होता है?
Great question. RNA polymerase has some proofreading, but it's weak. Most errors just stay. But since RNA is temporary and degraded eventually, it's not a big deal. If the error is serious, that specific RNA molecule produces a faulty protein, gets degraded, but other correct RNA molecules compensate.
So it's error tolerance through redundancy. Make enough copies, statistically, most are correct.
Biological backup system.
Exactly. Now, joke time. Why did RNA polymerase go to therapy? Because it had trouble letting go at termination.
That's actually decent. Attachment issues at the molecular level.
थेरेपी लेने गया पॉलीमरेज, रिलेशनशिप प्रॉब्लम्स.
Okay, students, transcription clear? Initiation, elongation, termination locked? Promoter or terminator समझ आए?
Real talk. New squad energy is hitting. Comments में बताओ कौन बेटर है, OG squad या new squad? दिव्यम और मृणाल को सपोर्ट करो.
Also, we are dropping a transcription translation comparison chart this week. Follow this channel for the PDF.
और मीम्स, मीम पेज पे आरएनए पॉलीमरेज की लव स्टोरी, हेयरपिन से ब्रेकअप.
Students, DW will spend 4 hours listing RNA polymerases. Unacademy will show animations of DNA unzipping. We gave you government office versus startup analogies, police chase visualizations, and actual mechanisms.
Subscribe, share, tag your bio teacher. This was the Deep Dive Summit Neuro. Next episode, post-transcriptional modifications, splicing, capping, tailing.
Because apparently the transcript needs a makeover before it's allowed into the cytoplasm.
वीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट, न्यूक्लियस से बाहर जाने से पहले फैशन शो.
See you next dive.
Subscribe.
Keep learning.
बाय.
Exactly. An RNA polymerase can't find it alone in eukaryotes. It needs transcription factors, especially TFIID, which contains TBP, Tata binding protein, to recognize the Tata box and recruit RNA polymerase.
मतलब यूकैरियोट्स में तो पूरी कमिटी चाहिए जीन एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. प्रोकैरियोट्स में डायरेक्ट हो जाता है.
Yes, prokaryotes are efficient. RNA polymerase directly binds the promoter. Eukaryotes are bureaucratic, need transcription factors, mediator complex, the whole setup. Classic government office versus startup energy.
Government office energy. That's why eukaryotes are slower?
More like regulated. You don't want every gene turning on randomly. Quality control greater than speed.
All right, initiation phase. This is where RNA polymerase finds the promoter and starts making RNA. Divyam, prokaryotes या eukaryotes? कौन simpler है?
प्रोकैरियोट्स मैम, क्योंकि वहां डायरेक्ट आरएनए पॉलीमरेज प्रोमोटर से बाइंड हो जाता है। हेल्पर प्रोटीन्स की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती।
Correct. In bacteria like E. coli, RNA polymerase has a sigma factor, sigma subunit, that helps it recognize the -10 and -35 regions of the promoter. Once it binds, the sigma factor leaves and the core enzyme starts transcribing.
Wait, sigma factor just dips after helping?
It's like that friend who helps you find the party, then leaves because they have another thing. Sigma factor. You're good here. I'm out.
Perfect. Now, RNA polymerase unwinds the DNA helix around the promoter, creates a transcription bubble, about 17 base pairs unwound. The template strand is now exposed.
तो डीएनए खुलता है, आरएनए पॉलीमरेज अंदर जाता है और starts reading?
Yes, it reads the template strand in the 3' to 5' direction and synthesizes RNA in the 5' to 3' direction. This is critical for NEAT. Direction of RNA synthesis, always 5' to 3'.
पर मैम ये 5 फीट तो 3 फीट क्या है? नंबर्स क्यों है?
Good question. The numbers refer to carbon atoms in the sugar molecule. The 5' end has a phosphate group, the 3' end has a hydroxyl group. RNA polymerase adds nucleotides to the 3' end, so the chain grows in the 5' to 3' direction.
Think of it like writing Hindi versus English. DNA template is read right to left, 3' to 5'. But the RNA you're writing comes out left to right, 5' to 3'. Same information, reversed reading.
Oh, that's actually a clean analogy.
Now, eukaryotes are more complex. RNA Pol2 can't bind DNA alone. First, TFIID with TBP binds the Tata box. Then TFIIB binds. Then TFIIF brings RNA Pol2 to the site. Then TFIIE and TFIIH join. TFIIH has helicase activity to unwind DNA and kinase activity to phosphorylate RNA Pol2, which signals start transcribing.
मैम ये तो बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हैं। कैसे याद रखूं?
Mnemonic. Tata box invites diverse friends energetically helping. TFIID, TFIIB, TFIIF, TFIIE, TFIIH in that order.
Tata Box invites diverse friends. That's good.
Also helps that it literally spells out the sequence. TBIDFEH. Like memorizing keyboard shortcuts.
Exactly. Once everything is assembled, RNA Pol2 starts adding nucleotides. Initiation complete. Now we move to elongation. Elongation is the main phase where RNA polymerase moves along DNA, unwinding it, reading the template, and making RNA. Arav, what's the speed?
Fast?
More specific. Prokaryotes, about 40 to 50 nucleotides per second. Eukaryotes, slower, about 20 to 40 nucleotides per second. Still incredibly fast. A 1000 nucleotide gene gets transcribed in under a minute.
That's faster than my Wi-Fi loading a YouTube video.
फाइबर ऑप्टिक से भी तेज। सेल का ब्रॉडबैंड कनेक्शन सॉलिड है।
Now, as RNA polymerase moves forward, the transcription bubble moves with it. DNA unwinds ahead of the enzyme, rewinds behind it. So only a small region, 10 to 20 base pairs, is open at any time.
तो डीएनए कंटिन्यूअसली ओपन और क्लोज हो रहा है.
Exactly, like a zipper. And here's an important point. RNA polymerase does not need a primer. Unlike DNA polymerase, which needs a primer to start, RNA polymerase can start from scratch, de novo synthesis.
Wait, so RNA polymerase is more independent than DNA polymerase? That's actually surprising.
Yup, no primer, no helicase needed. It unwinds DNA itself, no ligase needed. It makes RNA continuously without fragments. RNA polymerase is a one enzyme show, much simpler than DNA replication.
मतलब डीएनए रेप्लिकेशन में तो पूरी टीम लगती है, हेलिकेज, प्राइमेज, लाइगेज, सब कुछ। पर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन में आरएनए पॉलीमरेज अकेला ही सब करता है। सुपर हीरो है।
Exactly, one man army. Now, here's a key concept. RNA polymerase has proofreading activity, but it's much weaker than DNA polymerase. Error rate is about 1 in 10,000 nucleotides.
वेट, तो आरएनए में मिस्टेक्स हो सकती है?